Exploring the phrase, free pour. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, free pour. You might have come across it in a cafe, bar, or perhaps a cooking show. Let's uncover its meaning and how you can use it in conversations. Free pour is commonly used in the context of serving drinks, especially in bars and cafes. When someone says they are going to free pour, it means they're going to pour a liquid, like alcohol or coffee, without using a measuring tool. It's all done by eye and experience. Imagine you're at a bar. The bartender might free pour the vodka into a cocktail rather than measuring an exact amount. This is often faster and shows the bartender's skill and experience. A regular visitor might say, "I trust her to free pour my drink. She always gets it just right." Or consider a coffee shop where the barista free pours milk into a latte. Again, they're relying on their experience to get the proportions correct without necessarily measuring. Advantages. Speed. Free pouring is often faster than measuring, especially during busy hours. Skill demonstration. It showcases the server's expertise and confidence. Disadvantages. Inaccuracy. There's a chance of pouring too much or too little. Consistency. Different servers might free pour differently, leading to varying tastes or strengths in drinks. To help you integrate this phrase into your vocabulary, here are a few example sentences. 1. I was impressed by the bartender's ability to free pour multiple ingredients into the cocktail. 2. Can you free pour the milk? Or should I give you a measuring cup? 3. Some coffee enthusiasts prefer a precise measure over a free pour to maintain consistency. And there you have it. Now, the next time you hear the term, free pour, you'll not only know its meaning but also its context and usage. Whether you're ordering a drink or engaging in a casual conversation, you're now equipped to use and understand this phrase. We hope this explainer was helpful, and as always, happy learning!